So we are here at a special market na ginawa just for the contestants of Miss World Philippines. Ganda ng night market? No. Here, all the contestants happily shopping for their tourist souvenirs. And as you can see, nagpa-sketch si Miss Philippines. O, kamukha ba?
Matangos yung ilong.
Mas matangos yung ilong sa picture. So, Megan, show us what you bought.
Okay, so ito yung mga binili ko dito sa may marketplace, dito sa may hotel. Alam niyo naman, mahilig talaga ako sa pusa.
Mahilig si Megan sa pusa. Fact number 1 about Miss Philippines. Mahilig sa pusa.
Mahilig talaga ako sa pusa. Alam na lahat yan. Tsaka ito, magnet para sa ref namin. Pusa din.
Magnet din na pusa.
Pero sobrang cute.
May nabili ka bang ibang animals dyan?
Yes, at naman ni Gwen na mahilig talaga ako sa animals. Sobrang.
Oo, napansin ko na mahilig si Megan sa animals. Turtle.
Silver frog.
So, ay, frog pala, sorry, hindi
Frog
turtle.
shock.
Koka. Ano ba yung pangalan nun sa Tagalog? Palaka.
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 Pink palaka.
Ano bang ibang nabili mo, Megan?
At saka, last but not least, hindi ko siya binili actually. Pero, ginagawa ko isang drawing, isang caricature drawing na caricature nga kasi hindi ko naman masyadong pamuta. Medyo masyadong matangos yata yung ilong niya. Yung ilong ko, like nose. So, yan. Ayan.
So that was the Miss World mini market they set up here just for the contestant at the hotel.
Yay! It was so much fun. And
We enjoyed shopping.
We are still gonna get a massage.
Oh yes.
We have to get a massage.
So,
you know, we've been here
free of course for the
so
contestants.
many days, but we haven't been able to relax. What's up with that? What's up with that? You need to relax a bit.
So we're gonna let you go and we're gonna have fun. Bye.